Hello, today I'm going to show you how to easily add your Tuya switch into your Domoticz app. So some of the prerequisites that you might notice, I assume that you already have Domoticz installed, you know how to log into your console, you know some basic Linux command to do the editing. Then if you meet all the requirements above, let's get started now. In order to add the Tuya Cloud into your Domoticz, first you need to clone the folder from this developer. This is actually developed by a guy who named Tizen33. So at the moment, this plugin is only support switch type. It's just a switch model like the Smart Plug. So I believe in the future it will slowly expand. How to do is you just need to clone this repository into the plugin of your Domoticz folder and restart your Domoticz. You will see the hardware Tuya Cloud. But make sure that you follow me until the end, because if you are using the Tuya another app called Smart Life, you won't get any device if you're using this method. But before start, let's talk some good and bad of this Tuya Cloud. Because in the market there are still a lot of other devices or other plugins that you can use. For example, the Tuya API and Tuya Convert. By using this Tuya Cloud, you no need to go through some troublesome step or like soldering thing. So you no need to have a special setting based on each device. You no need to troubleshoot each device, do the custom setting inside. Of course, when we use custom firmware, we will gain other advantage. For example, the data will store in our local network. It will not go to cloud, because when we use this Tuya Cloud, right, our data will still store inside the cloud. If you are clear about the advantage and the disadvantage of using this plugin, then let's get started. Let's show you how to do that and how to add your Smart Life app into this support. Okay, now log into your Domoticz server. So from here, please navigate to your Domoticz plugin folder. So in my case, maybe OTP Domoticz plugin. Okay, so at this place, we will need to clone the GitHub link into here. So we paste it. Then I will clone it into a folder that named Tuya. Tuya. Then enter. Cloning. Done. Then to make sure everything is okay, we need to navigate to the Tuya folder. Then check, is there a file plugin inside? Yeah, have. Okay. Then just need to restart the Domoticz. You should see the Tuya Cloud appear in your hardware list. So I will skip the restart process because I already added in. Now let me go back to my Domoticz website. Okay, scroll down. Then scroll to the bottom because it starts with T. Okay, we see Tuya Cloud. So I will name it. So I put Tuya. And then the username will be the username that you use to register in your Tuya or Smart Life app. Password will be the same. Country code is the digit country code. It's like when we dial international number, you will need to put the country code in front. I actually put a link at the description. You can see your country is using which digit code. Remember, you must fill in the digit code correctly, otherwise you won't get any device. So if you make sure everything is correct, you can just hit on the add button. Okay, now if you are using the Tuya Smart app, you should start to see the device appear at your device. But if you are using the Smart Life app, you will see nothing because it won't show anything inside. So what you need to do, you need to go into the code to change something. I'm going to show you now. Okay, now go back to the console. Let me log in. Okay, back to OTP, Domoticz, then plugin, Tuya, enter. So we need to nano the plugin.py. Move the cursor down to the login code. So let me move it down. Furthermore, okay, here's the one. You see the parameters. So you can see the username, password, country code, and one of the value is leave blank, which is business type, this type. So if you are using Smart Life, you need to fill in smart_life. By default, empty is Tuya. So now I'm filling smart_life. Then I save the file. Okay, done. If you want to make sure everything runs properly, you can restart your Domoticz. But for me, I usually don't restart because just changing the code. You can just go back to your hardware, select the hardware, and hit the update. Your code will refresh. So in my case, I don't restart it. I just go back to my hardware page, and here I can just hit the update. Then the whole code will refresh, and now it will start to pick up the device in my Smart Life. From the screen here, you can see I have one called Tuya Smart Plug 2, the last plug. So from here, I can start to switch it on and switch it off. It will work. It's just nice. So for the user who using Domoticz, I think most likely they will know this plugin called Domoticz. This plugin allows you to add your Domoticz into the HomeKit device. So your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV or HomePod will be able to control the switches and the light in your Domoticz server. And this is really a good plugin. I have been using this since day one. By adding the Tuya into your Domoticz, now you can actually even use your HomeKit to control your Tuya switch or smart plug. As the example you see from my HomeKit device, I actually add these switches to my testing HomeKit. From here, I have the switch, and I can easily just toggle it. And from my Apple Home app, I can toggle it on and off. Of course, I no need to open the Smart Life app anymore. Okay, this is today's video and tutorial. Thank you for staying with me until now. If you like my video, please subscribe. And if you want to see other videos or you want me to show you some other tutorial, please leave it in the comment. We can discuss from there. If you like this video or you think this video helped you, please give me a like. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.